Here's Econotransfer, guys. Look at that big old shirt. I think that's like a 20XL. Hey, what's up, guys? If you're here at the event impressions, check out the Econo booth. They actually have the puff in stock. So here's the prices here for a yard. They've got them on sale, so you can go ahead and pick these up here at the booth if you're interested in the puff, which they kind of have some of the best puff that's out on the market right now. Can we see this shirt again real quick for the video? Check this out, guys. Look at how smooth that is. I mean, this is great quality. You can't beat that. I'm going to pick some up right now, but definitely check out this booth if you're into puff. All right, guys, I'm actually at the booth here at Econo. What we're going to do here is I'm going to take the puff, and for the first time ever, I'm going to actually press this puff to see how it comes out, okay? So from what he told me, 300 degrees, 8 seconds, and I'll have the details of the pressure that we're going to need, but I'm actually getting samples of this so I can make a video on this. But here we go, guys. This is going to be filmed live. This is the Econo puff. Come in here.
I'm gonna pause it for a second. Okay.
Thank you.
Right. And I apologize for that we had run out of the bags and that.
I'm gonna weed this first. All right, guys, so this is how easy this stuff is to weed. You want to go ahead and just take it. It's hard to see because of that light.
I know the glare has been a bit. It says Econotransfer.
Very soft.
Yeah.
Very soft.
No?
I've seen so many videos where
sure.
people just can't seem to get puff right. And this is the only material I found that comes out the most consistent.
And so here's the thing, right? We see a lot of times online people say, you know, this heat setting, this time, and this whatever. And so the thing is, you know, you are sort of balancing these scales between your pressure, your time, and your temp.
Every heat press is different.
Right, and so it's difficult to say, you know, I would never tell somebody that they're wrong because, you know, it might work for them. You know, maybe I haven't done it that way, but, you know, certainly I'm, you know, interested in hearing what people have to say about it.
Right. So where's the company based out of?
So we're in Bear, Delaware.
Okay.
So we're about 30 minutes south of Philadelphia. So we're like right in that sort of like northeastern corridor.
Nice.
Yeah.
I got it. That's it.
Good.
So this is ready to rock, right?
So you want to do a pre-press for 3 seconds?
Got it already?
All right, and then go ahead and lay it down on there. We're already set at 300 degrees with a medium firm pressure.
Okay. Now medium to firm pressure?
No, medium firm.
Medium firm. Okay.
Right.
Now what would that be, say, on a Hotronics? About 4 or 5?
Probably around like 5 or 6.
Okay.
And then go ahead, you're gonna lay it down for 8 seconds, all right? 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hot deal.
Go ahead and lift that right off of there.
Wow. Look at that. So consistent. Wow, guys. I gotta say that came out so smooth. That is ridiculous smooth. That's crazy. Econo puff, guys. This is where it's at. I mean, no joke. I've seen so many inconsistencies right off the bat. First press I've ever done, period. With this stuff, it came out perfect. There'll be another video on this stuff to come. Stay tuned, guys.
Yeah, I try to take my mask off, or?
Yeah, you can take it off. Hey guys, this is James from ESENTL. Real quick, we're at the ECONOtransfer booth, and this is James, and we've got Jerry, the owner. So they're going to talk real quick about ECONOtransfers. These are some of the coolest things you can get when it comes to especially the puff and stress transfers and other transfers. So go ahead, take it away.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So yeah, quick to here to talk about us. We're 3 years old now. We do all sorts of stuff. Everybody knows us for our Econo puff. We got some really cool stuff going on. Econo hairline's one that you definitely want to check out if you haven't. It's perfect for winter fashion. Doing everything. You know, we want it to be easy to weed material, easy to use. Check out our how-to videos we've been putting out. You know, we've got all sorts of pressing instructions, all these different things going on. And also, you know, drop us comments, shoot us messages, let us know what you'd like to see from us next.
Right on, guys. If you guys are coming to the show, stop here at the booth. Hey, they might even show you how to press the Econo puff. I just did it for the first time. You're going to see a video on that coming up soon. We got some material here that we're going to be highlighting on the video as well. So check that out, guys. ECONOtransfers, they're up and coming this year. They're going to be big. So peace out.